Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Nuve Silk 3 Pro Electric Foot Callus Remover. So you might be wondering, what is this callus remover that you may be hearing online? So Nuve Silk 3 Pro is a rechargeable electric callus remover designed to smooth dry skin, deep cracks, and calluses on the feet. Now it works using a high-speed roller spinning at around 2000 RPM with two interchangeable roller heads included, a fine roller for general dry skin and a coarse roller for deeper cracks and tougher calluses. Now, it runs on a rechargeable battery listed at up to like 90 minutes of use per full charge, a couple of hours to fully recharge here. Now, how to exactly use this? Well, first you want to make sure that feet are dry and the device is charged before starting. Now, insert either the fine or coarse roller depending on the area being treated and basically select a speed setting. Now, glide the roller gently over the feet in slow back and forth motion, and the brand states a full session takes about 5 minutes. Afterward, wipe the feet clean and apply lotion. And the brand's general guidance here is a session roughly every 2 weeks. So the frequency can be adjusted based on individual foot condition. So each roller head is listed as good for about 3 hours of effective use before needing replacement. Now with a separate roller refill pack sold to extend use and rated for about 6 months of difficult use. Now what's actually included in here? Well, in this case, the device itself, a fine roller, a coarse roller, a roller cover, and a USB charging cable, a cleaning brush, and an instructions manual. Now, on the pricing side, it's listed at around $39, discounted from the $78 reference price here. Now, it's free track and insured shipping applies on US orders over $50 with delivery estimated at around 5 to 9 days. Now, it comes with a 100-day money-back guarantee according to them. But if you have any questions before actually buying the actual product, you go ahead and just head over to their website here, and you can go and just go to their help center and basically find a few questions in here if you do have any questions, or even contact their customer support. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.